right, that's one. We got 4 more to go. So y'all can
hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man, okay, all right.
I came back from the paint booth, boy. That thing back from the paint booth. Did that boy that got that 6-0 in y'all that was like light blue. Thing back from the booth. That thing got boo-boo on it. You gotta get that windshield in. Yeah, throw that nasty Silverado in there too, man. That thing that clean, man. I like how the bed right on the line in red, man. That thing crazy. Yeah. Like that thing, I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie like that. Shout out about that thing, got that boot. Ooh.
I got to work in the stuff, but you know it right in the plastic. I gotta make this
Ooh.
shit happen. I'll never lack. I gotta make some new rap. Most of y'all thought I was talking about the word. Now bitch, I'm talking about the trap. Whoa.
I don't like me, they won't care about the tag. We gonna kill you, bro. We gonna kill you, bro. I don't care about the tag. Oh, see, you don't give me a reason to do it. Give me a reason to do it. Give me a reason to do it. It stay on me. For real. Never lacking. Nah, for real, man. Thing, I like the color he went. You know what I'm saying? It's a different color. Like, it's a different color. I like the color he went. You gonna take the rims out and go a little bigger though. Let's see, y'all know he got the 6 on here. I don't even want to touch it. Oh, but that about hood. It's not like mine, so I ain't even about to. We don't go like this. He probably got to rock that thing. Ain't got time to. You know what I'm saying? Man, that thing is so close. Come on, man. Seats need to be a little clean, but that thing clean, man. Like, even this painted, man. Like, you don't be seeing it. Like, even that painted, man. That thing clean, man.
I'm never lacking. I gotta make this shit
chrome.
happen. All of my partners be trapping. Take a
Chrome,
trip
chrome collar.
up in the action. If you play with
Chrome shoe collar and everything, man.
I got to work in a door for nigga fuck a package. If you touch him, get the scrapping.
Everybody
Everybody
that ain't glad, y'all. This some real.
Everybody know.
Man, that thing clean, man.
I'ma stay solid every situation. I'ma beat your ass to a pole.
A little cleaned off a little bit.
It ain't nothing to a nigga who used to fight every day, bitch. I'm the GOAT. I could've went pro, ain't wanna go pro. I chose to sell dope.
Yeah, right on line, red pinstripe on them. Man, not playing no game with it, man. So I just pulled off in my man black car. Gonna pull apart right fast, pick up some stuff. Man, this car right here, boy, that AC blow good. I mean, when he got this car, ain't even some work done to it. That thing feel good though. For his Ford Focus, yeah. I'm saying, that thing feel good. No lights, low tire pressure light, but ain't nothing wrong with the tires. You know what I'm saying? It's an alright car. Like I was saying, I'm going to pull apart. I'm headed to pull apart to get some parts get some stuff for him right fast. He said they already got it sitting out. And also to get another battery, take this battery back and get another battery. He said that should be already out too, so we're gonna knock that out. And I told y'all I was about to do that. Told y'all I was about to do that work, that brake work to that Malibu. His man said he'll do it. Just give him a few dollars. So you know I'm most definitely with that. You know what I'm saying? I'll do it, but if he gonna do it just for like $20, shoot, why not? I got you $20, bud. I sure do. I ain't gotta worry about I don't have to worry about. Then I don't have to worry about getting dirty. You know what I'm saying? Almost done. Y'all from Atlanta, y'all know what pull apart this is. This the Conley location. 9 times out of 10, they probably have some food trucks up here. I probably snatch me some up right fast. Probably not. I'm not sure. I could use some water though. You know what I'm saying? Oh, man. The one thing about pull apart, man, a lot of people forget. back original, like a lot of people forget about pull apart. Like you can go back original. You just go ahead and find the car, the same year of your car, and get what you need off of it. You know what I'm saying? But it's a hit or miss with it sometimes too, because you can get something that's also old or need to be replaced. You don't know it until you put it on your car. You know what I'm saying? So I like to go brand new with a lot of my stuff. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes to flipping these cars and getting some money behind them, like I be gonna pull apart. You know what I'm saying? Because it's cheaper. You pull it and get stuff. You pull it and get it yourself. And at the same time, you learn too. Like if you take a part from a car, then you know how to put it back on. Like, that's how I learned a lot of stuff about these cars. You just come from messing around with it. There's no food trucks up here yet. Might be a little too early. It ain't lunchtime yet. It ain't lunchtime. I'm going ahead and handle this stuff. I'll get back with y'all. So we're back at the Malibu. Fred just about done. He did the fronts. And we're back. But it was let's go, right? I just put the battery in there. I just put the battery in. I just put the battery in, right? Now you see this? The battery light might be the alternator or something. Figure it out though. We'll definitely figure it out. You know, and the old brakes on. You need the old ones?
Yeah.
Shit, them motherfuckers went bad.
Niggas know.
That motherfucker probably in the back. That motherfucker ain't bad. Huh? The back one, right? Yeah, that's what I told him. I need to put a roller back there.
You want to get one? While they got it open?
Nah, I would get that.
Wait?
Yeah.
All right. Well, it ain't gonna sure go until you put new pads on.
Yeah. I'm going for it. But I'm gonna keep these pads though.
Yeah, keep it.
I'm damn keep them pads. Yeah, boy. These pads look. They need done really. It's a pad. So we had to go through all this, man. Some fool had put an aftermarket alarm on the car. Man, all these cars come with alarms. They got to put an aftermarket alarm on these cars, fool. They come with one. Just messing stuff up when you do stuff like that. Now we had to go pad, bypass, and cut, man. We did it though. Yeah, man. Mad Mark car, man. I told y'all. Oh shit. Ooh, boy. Hot out here, boy. Huh? Yeah, boy. Hot, boy. Yeah, man. I told me we getting our bill knocked out, man. Instead of buying stuff, I don't go on. Y'all know he gonna be the haul. Y'all gotta stay tuned in, man. Mad Mark's car, man. Light subscribe in the bill.